Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another video. So today guys, we're doing a little road trip. I'm in my room because I'm kind of waiting on them to pick me up and thing. So we're actually heading for a hiking trip in Blue Mountain, Holywell to be specific. Yeah, you see my fan on, it's the place at and something. I'm actually really look forward to the temperature, the cool down, the little breeze. The summer is hot, guys. Hot, hot, hot. So yes, that's what we're doing today. So we're going to be outside. Yeah. So if you're new here and you have not yet hit that subscribe button, you can go do it right now. Yes, guys. So let's get going. So we're now in Mega Mart grabbing snacks. Even though I tell them on diet, they might take a foolishness.
No, I don't need this about the ear.
Neighbor, why you acting shy?
Here.
So I don't know what I'm going to keep. You know?
That's fine what you want to.
I mean, I know me eat, me not to eat no bread, no and something here. That's the kind of thing. Why you behaving shy?
Sunshine and breeze blowing. What
you say? No, son, they're too young.
Already it. They're ripe.
They're ripe.
A sunburn. Alright. If let me come back then. Yeah man, that's Gross Mitchell.
Yeah.
Yeah man. But we can't have it in the car though. Yeah man. I'll take my chances.
Speckle banana is best banana. I don't know that.
Sweetest.
So Shamar, they make a walk down the bush. All the way from down at the bottom where I drive come from the foot of the hill to come all the way up here.
No problem.
With the people them back on me. Huh? With the speed, I carry them with the compound. I need them there. You know me do the bunk bed left that back side of the bush carry to go out.
Are you by it?
No. And guess what I'm following back now? Who left this bunk bed in the bush? Where's the bed? I have to sleep underneath it. You know, everybody have to go back down the hill.
Want it to sleep, huh?
Yes, everybody have to go back down the hill to go find the bed. And here one guy said, see it here, sir. And then line me up. Who left it?
3, 4. Thank you.
Alrighty.
Yeah, she said must go down.
I've never gone. Remember me at 12? Next week.
Let's go drop within that.
Hmm?
And see what it is like, man. Stay tuned. More to come.
This man. There's nobody here. Nobody can hear us have any mask.
Of course, people are here the same way.
What not here?
You're there.
I'm tired already. I wouldn't start or nothing.
Start what? You know where you're going, by the way?
No, this is my first time here. It looks like that's the direction we should be going.
Exactly. I don't know where I'm going.
Alright, let's look at the map first. It says access to lower picnic area. What's the trail down this way? Which one I trail that?
Right, it's coming like I'm news to me. So I don't know much.
Red. No jump from mountain. Where are we going?
But we're not doing all of this, so we don't know.
Where are we going?
Let's just look for some signs that actually.
I would say we're going up. I want to see if we could come and enjoy it.
Yeah, that's right. You bus already?
Never. Oh yeah, bet me some money or something.
How much money you want?
Just bet me some money for this run that in a particular time.
$100.
$100 for run and reach where in no time.
Reach the last tree at the corner that's in 2 minutes.
2 minutes? Then we can just walk.
2 minutes to 30 seconds.
30 seconds we reach where?
Right at the tree where them just passed.
Alright, you count now?
Yeah, me account. Now my head. My 30 seconds, my account. Yeah.
So basically, so we record.
Yeah.
So what Shamara basically say, she will give me $100 US.
Which country we live in?
$100 if I can just make it up there in under 30 seconds.
On them way up.
My God.
Up there where?
You come like you just give me $100 now.
What's the permit?
Ready?
The tree, the last tree we can see that, the light post.
The light post there, so. Ready?
Ready?
Tell me to go.
Go. 1, 2, 3. 30, 80, 90, 20, 21, 22, 23. That was like 20 seconds. 20 seconds! I said I'm using my seconds. I didn't say I was using the seconds on the phone. Yes, I never.
Where's the chair?
No, we get lost.
Blue Mall chair. Which one are you? Blue Mall or water? Waterfall chair.
Waterfall.
We're gonna have an exciting time. Come on!
Do that again, Mark.
Let me eat that.
Do that again. We should do it again.
We don't come on, Virgin.
Papa show you take mark for you know.
Keep
Waterfall trail.
the camera up. You don't need to be videoing it. Right?
You don't want me to video your sexiness?
Right.
Alright. Neither is too little. That sound like you don't want to give me none, man. Yeah, but you're flexible with whatever weight you have. That's the difference. Some of we have a little bit of weight, but we're not active. Speaking for myself. Need to be active, man. Come on and all. How is it so far, Alex?
It's good! Energize!
All I go and run that dead.
Don't it? Boy, I'm tired.
So guys, we're on the waterfall trail, which is 1 hour. We don't even know how long we're gone, because we're just walking and talking.
I'm not paying attention to time now.
Not watching any time. It's a bit overcast and drizzling. But
Jesus.
the trail I feel though, that we come here for. Max, I'm gonna shut up and come on. Oh Lord. So I pray me no drop. I think I hear the Rangers coming. So we've gotten to the waterfalls, guys.
It didn't look better than that.
It looked better on the side, right? A lot better on the website.
The water done a waterfall, man.
But yeah,
Have mercy.
we finished this trail. I guess we'll have to do the one to the river. Alex, why you take a deep breath?
I'd like to
water
explain
done.
something. So, guys, I'm disappointed.
You're disappointed?
Yes, I'm. Yeah. If you just stop that. So I'm quite disappointed. Why? I walked all this way just to find out that this is the waterfall. So quite disappointed. Quite disappointing. My God.
It's not. Hey. Next thing.
Make on you. See that? Represent the east side. East side is there.
There's no signal up here?
No, I get no signal.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
No, that's all right. From the body.
Yes, I'm soaked.
No, you're not. It just wet a little bit.
Tuntun, right?
It's Holywell.
Shall be posting this. No,
Take
that.
my picture, okay. So we're making our way back up the trail, guys. It's so funny though, to the waterfalls it's down. And that's why it was a little bit easier. But we're going up now. I know I'm gonna pop down. But let's go. We're back from the waterfalls trail. We're supposed to be an hour trail down, but I don't think we took that long. Some parts of it were steep, like coming up was steep, so I didn't video all of that because it was a struggle for me in some of the sections. And we were having some lively discussions. We kind of really forget I'm supposed to vlog. But we're back down on the flat. We wanted to go to the river, but they said that the river is seasonal and it's dried up now, so I don't think we're going to do that. But yeah, it's been an adventure. Let's see what else is here. I'll show you the cabins and those things that are around. So coming up here, you'd know what can be done. There are persons who are camping out, so you can come out here and set up your tent and camp. There are the little gazebos. You can do your cooking and stuff, so I'll show you those shortly. Cabins. Shortly. Yeah.
Pop down.
Yeah, we'll pop down.
Pop down 1 and pop down 2.
Pop down 1 and pop down 2.
In a matey bag. Turn around and show them a matey bag.
Those are the bathrooms. Some of the gazebos. The people having nice little family time up there. And we're going to go up the trail over there that leads to the cabins shortly. Yeah. Never in my life.
That's good.
This is one of the cabins you can rent here. Looks very cozy. And then there are 2 down that side. Lot of space. Never. That's not a jump.
You can't jump.
Alright, come again. 1, 2, 3. Lord Jesus, you don't want to see what it look like.
Wait, do take one picture? Take one scan down there. Come on, pose now.
Well, no, yo. Just big candy where you want portrait.
Yeah. No, it can't. On the mark. Get set. Go.
So guys, this is where I close the vlog. It was a good day. We didn't get to go to the river because the river dry up and something. But the hike was good. Being out in nature was good. And if I could stay up here right now and sleep, to the place cool. But I think we might come back here and camp out. If we do, you'll definitely see it on the vlog. If you want to see that happen for next month, probably come here next month. You can comment below and let me know. And my friends come do a 1 night or 2 night par up here. Yes. So don't forget to like, share, comment, and of course guys, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Until next time guys.